Tonight, a warning from Austin Public Health. Our local health authority predicts that we can expect to re-enter stage 4 level of COVID-19 risk next week. KXAN's Jacqueline Powell reports that medical workers are preparing for a surge in coronavirus hospitalizations in mid-November. A surge that's likely to be worse than we saw in June and July, pushing our area's limits.
Things get ugly very quickly. Again, back in June, we saw us at a similar stage to where we are now, and 3 weeks later we were in crisis. That can certainly happen again.
And these UT projections show the next surge is expected to be even worse, with more hospitalizations than the Austin area faced over the summer. As of Monday, 114 people were hospitalized, 43 of them in the ICU. But if the current transmission rate doesn't change, Austin can expect as many as 700 people hospitalized, with more than 200 in the ICU by the third week in November. Those projections shocking to Travis County leaders when they heard them Tuesday.
That's terrifying, and if that's what we're looking at, that sounds to me like an El Paso style level of outbreak.
The CEO of the Texas Nurses Association says while the state is able to send extra resources there now,
if other areas of the state start to see the increase like El Paso and the Panhandle have right now at the same time, that can really stress the resources and have negative effects on our ability to care for patients.
She says healthcare workers are already fatigued, and while there are enough to handle COVID-19 cases in our area right now,
it's hard to say there's plenty to take on another surge.
Jacqueline Powell, KXAN News.
City of Austin tells us the convention center is still prepped and ready to serve as an alternate care site. That would happen if there's too much overflow at hospitals. You may remember we almost reached that point in late July.